Good morning. Today is Wednesday the 5th of December, getting ready for Christmas, and today the plumbing bag has come out. Can you see the tools? Because we've had to put back the vanity unit, which we plastered. If you had seen us yesterday, we were plastering this very wall. We had one or two problems, but we managed to buy some quick fittings. Cool, that was hard to say. And we connected it back up, and so far everything is good. But the thing about plumbing is you must know where the mains are before you start. And so if everything goes wrong, you know where to turn them off. That's the 60 seconds for today. Bye.